Good morning, children. So this section we are going to revise for NEET. Okay. So first you should know the question pattern. Look at the pattern. So totally 50 marks you are going to write for 15 marks. So out of this, in physics 15 marks, chemistry 15 marks, and in biology 20 marks. So total 50 marks. Okay. So all are multiple choice questions only. You will get 4 options. So out of these 4 options, you have to select the best option. Okay. One more type only everything. So first you have to mention the question number. Next you have to mention the option, whether it may be option A or B or C or D. That you have to mention. Next only you have to mention the answer. Okay, in this manner only you have to write. Don't simply put the option, don't simply write the answers. First you have to mention the serial number. Second you have to mention the option. Third you have to mention the answer. Okay, so this you have to follow for NEET, right? Okay, so see some topics I have written here. These topics only we are going to cover for NEET. Okay. So first one, origins of the term chemistry. Next one, definition of chemistry. Ions, symbol and color. Next, alchemical period, hydrochemistry period, phlogiston period, modern period. That is brief history of chemistry. Okay. Followed by the great minds of chemistry. Next, applications of chemistry. Finally, harmful effects of chemistry. So these topics we are going to revise today. Okay. So take your book, take page number 2. So before we enter into these topics, first you should learn some fundamental things. Okay. So what are they? Let me see now. First one, dash is the smallest particle of an element. What's the answer for this? Yes. Answer is atom. Okay, atom is the smallest particle of an element. Next one. Anything which occupies space and has weight are called a dash. What's the answer? The answer is matter. Okay, anything which occupies space and has weight are called matter. Next one. Group of atoms bonded together are called a dash. Molecule. Okay, group of atoms bonded together are called molecule. Can I give one example for this? Water. Okay, because it is composed of hydrogen as well as oxygen atoms. So it will come under molecule only. Water is a molecule. Next one, dash is composed of 2 or more separate elements. What's the answer for this? Dash is composed of 2 or more separate elements. Answer is compound. Okay. Can you give example? Yeah, water, the same water. Okay, because it is composed of, water is composed of hydrogen as well as oxygen element. Okay. So compound is composed of 2 or more separate elements. Hydrogen is a separate element, oxygen is a separate element. So both the elements combine to form the water. So water is a compound, right? Next one. Atom or group of atoms having a charge are called dash. Charge means it may be positive or negative. That is called ions. Okay, atoms or group of atoms having a charge. That is positive charge or negative charge are called ions. Next one, dash are the building blocks of matter. Atoms. Okay, atoms are the building blocks of matter. Next, the various objects which exist around us are made of some kind of dash. It is nothing but matter only. Okay. Next, matter is composed of dash. Matter is composed of atoms, not only atoms, molecules, even ions also. Okay. So matter is composed of atoms, molecules as well as ions. Right. Next one. What is the charge of cation? Charge of cation is positive. Okay. Then what about anion? The charge of anion is negative. Okay. So these are the fundamental things you should know. Now let me move to the topic. First one, origins of the term chemistry. It is in page number 2. Okay. So here, chem. Actually, chem is an Arab Latinized word. What is the meaning for this Arab Latinized word keen? It is nothing but value. Okay. So underline the word value. Arab Latinized word keen means value. What's the other meaning for value? Importance or worth. Anything you can write. Okay. So underline this one. Arab Latinized word keen is a Arab Latinized word, and the meaning for this keen is nothing but value. Okay. Next one. Chemia. Chemia actually it is an Egyptian word, and the meaning for chemia is transmutation of earth. Okay. Chemia is an Egyptian word, and the meaning is transmutation of earth. What's the meaning for transmutation? So actually it is nothing but conversion of one chemical element into another chemical element. That's the meaning for transmutation of earth, right? Next one. Chimia. Chimia is a Greek word. Okay, chimia is a Greek word, and the meaning for the word chimia is art of alloying metal. So underline this one. Art of alloying metal. It's a chimia. Chimia is a Greek word. The meaning for chimia is nothing but art of alloying metal. Fully underline it. Okay. So next one, kumeya. Kumeya is also a Greek word only, and the meaning for kumeya is casting together or to put things together or putting together. Okay. So this also underline. Next. Dash is the science of matter and the changes it undergoes during chemical reaction. What's the answer for this? Chemistry. Okay, the answer is chemistry. Chemistry is the science of matter and the changes it undergoes during chemical reaction. Okay, so next one. Ions. It's in page number 3. Tablet color is given now. So look at that one. Based on the cation and anion, you will get a question, that is, you have to mention the symbol, you have to write the symbol of cation or otherwise color of cation, okay, as well as anion. For example, the symbol of sodium ion is dash, means what you will write? The answer is Na+, okay. So the symbol of sodium ion is dash. You have to mention the sodium ion symbol. What's the symbol for sodium ion? It's Na+. Okay. And what's the symbol of aluminium ion? Al3+. Like that you have to mention the symbol. Okay. Next one. The color of cupric ion is dash. What's the color? It is blue in color. Okay. So cupric ion means you have to mention the color of that particular anion as well as cation. Okay. So cupric ion means it is blue in color. At the same time ferrous ion means it is light green in color. So you have to read the symbol as well as color of cations as well as for anions. Okay, so you will get one question from this type. Understood? Next one. Next come to the page number 4, alchemical period. The alchemical period, during dash period, people were looking for methods for finding cheaper ways of making gold. Which period? Modern period or hydrochemistry period or phlogiston period or ancient period? What's the correct answer? Yes, the answer is alchemical period. Okay, so underline this one. Next, alchemists are also known as dash. Yes, gold cooks. Okay, alchemists are also known as gold cooks because they turn the less valuable metal into gold. That's what we are saying. They are alchemists. Okay, other name of alchemist, that is alchemists are also known as gold cooks. Underline this word. Next one, bubonic plague is caused due to dash. Okay, whether viral infection or bacterial infection or parasitic infection. What's the answer for this? Bubonic plague actually it is a serious bacterial infection which is transmitted by fleas. Okay, so you have to mention bacterial infection. So underline this word. Bubonic plague actually it is a bacterial infection transmitted by fleas. Okay, so next one, come to the same page, hydrochemistry period. In which period chemists paid their attention towards medico-chemical problems? In which period? The answer is hydrochemistry period. Okay, because hydrochemistry period means it actually mentions the chemistry combined with medicine. Okay, so the answer is hydrochemistry period. Underline this word. Chemists paid their attention towards medico-chemical problems. It is an hydrochemistry period, right? So next one, Dash found that when a metal is heated in air, the mass increases. Who found like that? The answer is Robert Boyle. Okay, underline the word Robert Boyle. Robert Boyle found that when a metal is heated in air, its mass increases. Okay. So next one. Phlogiston period. The phlogiston theory was proposed by Dash. What's the name? Yeah, Ernst Stahl. Okay, E-R-N-S-T, Ernst Stahl, S-T-A-H. You have to read this spelling twice, at least twice. Okay, then only you will get memorized. Ernst Stahl proposed the phlogiston theory. Underline this word. The phlogiston theory was proposed by Ernst Stahl. Right. Next, we turn to page number 5. Modern period. Okay. Dash is regarded as the father of modern chemistry. Who is regarded as the father of modern chemistry? The answer is Lavoisier. Okay. Underline the word Lavoisier is regarded as the father of modern chemistry in modern period. Okay. Underline this word. Next. Who presented a clear explanation of an element and also proposed a system of chemical nomenclature? The question is asked like this. What will you write? Okay, the option is given like this. Lavoisier, John Dalton, Joseph Priestley, Henry Cavendish. Which answer is the correct option? Lavoisier. Okay, Lavoisier only proposed the term chemical nomenclature. Got it? Okay, underline the word. Okay, presented a clear explanation of an element and proposed a system of chemical nomenclature. Underline the word Lavoisier also. Next one, Dash postulated that all elements are made up of atoms. Who postulated like that? John Dalton. Okay, underline this word. Underline this name, John Dalton postulated that all elements are made up of atoms. Okay? Right. Next, turn to page number 7. Next, we can move to the great minds of chemistry. Okay? It's about scientists, about their inventions and discoveries. Okay? First one, Henry Cavendish. Henry Cavendish produced hydrogen and carbon dioxide in the laboratory. Okay? So Henry Cavendish, who produced hydrogen and carbon dioxide in the laboratory, means what will you write? You have to write Henry Cavendish. Okay. Next, Dash discovered 10 gases including oxygen, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide. What's the answer? Joseph Priestley. Okay. Next, Dash developed the law of conservation of mass. Lavoisier. Lavoisier developed the law of conservation of mass. Next one, Dash proposed the atomic theory. John Dalton. John Dalton proposed the atomic theory. Who formulated the periodic table of elements? Mendeleev. The answer is Mendeleev. Okay. Next, who isolated radium and polonium? Marie Curie. Okay. The answer is Marie Curie isolated the radium as well as polonium. Next, J.J. Thomson discovered and identified dash electrons. Okay, J.J. Thomson discovered electrons. Next, P.C. Roy. P.C. Roy is a chemist and founder of Bengal Chemicals and Pharmaceuticals. Okay, he is the founder of India's first pharmaceutical company. Who is the founder of India's first pharmaceutical company? Means what will you write? P.C. Roy. Okay. Next one, Rutherford. Rutherford discovered the nucleus of an atom. Next, S.N. Bose. S.N. Bose, he provided the foundation for Bose-Einstein statics and the theory of Bose-Einstein condensate. Okay. Next, C.N.R. Rao. C.N.R. Rao worked mainly in solid state and structural chemistry. Okay. Who worked mainly in solid state and structural chemistry? Means you have to write C.N.R. Rao. applications of chemistry. Okay. Dash or chemicals that provide nutrients to crops and increase their production. What's the answer? Answer is fertilizer. Okay. So fertilizers or chemicals that provide nutrients to crops and increase their production. That's what we are using, fertilizers. Then only crops will grow well. Okay. So next one. Dash or chemicals used to kill pesticides. Then what about insecticides? Okay. So pesticides and insecticides or chemicals used to kill pests as well as insects. Got it? Right. Next. Natural fibers are obtained from dash. Natural fibers are obtained from plants and animals. Okay. Can you give some examples? Cotton, jute, silk. These are some of the natural fibers. Okay. Next one. Synthetic fibers are prepared from dash. Chemical substances. Okay. What's the difference between natural fiber and synthetic fiber? Natural fiber means obtained from plants and animals. At the same time, synthetic fibers means obtained from chemical substances. Example, rayon, nylon, telluric. Okay. So these are some of the examples. Based on this also you will receive questions. So you have to understand the meaning for natural fiber and synthetic fiber. Also you should learn at least 2-3 examples for natural fibers as well as synthetic fibers. Got it? Right. Next, turn to page number 10. Medicines are given now. Smallpox is caused by dash, viral infection or bacterial infection or parasitic infection. Yeah. Smallpox is caused by due to viral infection only. Okay, that infection you have to mention it. It's not caused due to bacterial infection. Smallpox is caused due to viral infection only. Got it? Next. Many metals are extracted from their ores by dash method. In which method? The answer is chemical method. Okay. So many metals are extracted from their ores by chemical method only. Got it? Right. Next, turn to page number 11. Electronics. Okay. Give an example of metalloids. Silicon and germanium. Silicon and germanium are nothing but metalloids only. Okay. So you should learn the metalloids examples. Next, turn to page number 12. Give an expansion of RDX. RDX means what? Research Department Explosive. Okay. So RDX, the word will be given to you. You have to mention the expansion for this RDX. What's the expansion for RDX? Research Department Explosive. Okay. So like that you have to prepare, children. That's it. Based on this only, origins of the term chemistry, definition of chemistry, ions means both cation as well as anion. You have to mention the particular anion or cation symbol as well as color you should learn, right? Next, alchemical period. Next, hydrochemistry period. The phlogiston period. Modern period. Next, the great minds of chemistry. It is fully based on the scientists, their inventions and discoveries. So you should know the name of the scientist, okay, and also about their inventions and discoveries. Next, applications of chemistry in various fields, okay. For example, in agriculture, cosmetics, consumer products, useful materials, like that we are using now. So each and every time you should learn. Finally, harmful effects of chemistry, about pollution, different types of pollution, like that interior questions you will be getting from this harmful effects of chemistry. So in this manner you have to prepare more. You should cover all these topics, children. Then only you can attend. Then only you will get 15 marks in chemistry, right? So prepare well for the exam. Write your exam well. All the best, children. Thank you.